Hello, it's Karen the Weekend Craftaholic, and I've got an unboxing video for you today. So I have been not so patiently waiting for this delivery from Citrus Twist Kits. So I did decide to subscribe, first time ever, to a monthly subscription kit, and the hope for this is that it's going to stop me buying so much stock and stash and supplies and work out obviously a lot cheaper, a lot more conscious of all the waste and whatnot. So whilst I was there, I ordered, so this should be the June kit which I ordered. So it's took 3 weeks to come, but I did order it middle of June, and at the same time I did also order one of the past kits. So I think it was May 2018 from memory, so I'll show you that one as well. So much goodies. So this kit is the around here, and it's got this nice little cute card in it. It's all wrapped in plastic packaging, so I'm gonna work my way through, and I'm gonna mute myself when I'm doing the unraveling because there's nothing worse than hearing the plastic sound. So these are the little 4x3 cards. So I can use these in my project life or my traveler's notebook. Little lemons. Oops, sorry, there was two there. You can see you belong on this journey. Sweet home. I love the different colours in this. So cute. See, and then a little journal card as well. Often when you think you're at the end of something, you're at the beginning of something else. So I love those little quotes to say. Now these are super cute. I'm not going to take these out of the packaging, but they are little tiny enamel shaped stickers, which feel quite flat, which is good for my traveler's notebook because I don't like too much bulk. Come back to the ephemera pack, but this is the stamp set. I love this Sleigh Girl Sleigh. Peace and quiet, chilling, couch potato. That is going to be perfect for me. Home sweet home, curled up here. Things can get a little crazy. I love this font with a squirrely start to it. We've also got these tiny alphabet stickers. So these are just black on white. Little square ones. I like that it's got numbers as well as alphas on that. This one's pretty bold, isn't it? This is foam, black foam. So they're going to really stand out in the layout. And these colours are to die for. So these are the puffy stickers, and these are quite thick actually. So these would probably be in my 12x12 layouts. Got some words upside down as well. I think these are what I'm going to start with, I have to say. These are super cute. Got that nice font around that I like again. And then, oops, loads of papers. Much more than I thought there would be, the thickness of that. So these are oh, there we go, 6x4 project cards. Excuse all the banging if you can hear it. Oh, a little cut apart sheet. Can't go wrong with that. And a little bookmark. Might actually cut those out, fussy cut those out. And these colours, pink and yellow. Yellow is my favourite at the moment. So these are all single-sided sheets. Let's spread these out a little. Little arrows. Ooh, what are the neighbours up to while that banging? It's quite late at night here. It's 10 o'clock at night. So I'm surprised there's noise going on. Oh, I love this teal. I love this as well. You'll be able to cut that one out. And of course flowers. Florals are my jam. Love the florals. And we did miss the ephemera, didn't we? Let's bring that here and have a little look. Oh, actually it's got pictures on the back, so I won't take it all out. I love these little leaves, little tags, the flowers. I think I might take them out. Excuse the noise. I'm not going to show you them all, but we'll have a look at some of them. This is definitely true for my house. Learning new things, grateful for failure. Ooh, I love the flowers. The road and the radio, lots of cute quotes. There's so much stuff. I don't want this to be too long a video, showing you everything. I'm going to move all this and pull out the May 2018 one for you. Book. These are still available to order, obviously, so even though it's a past kit, don't let that put you off if you're interested in these designs. Seek out the joy. I like the fact that these are double-sided for my project life. Another splendid day. Nice gold doily and a cut apart sheet. And let's spread out these. Ooh, these are definitely the 6x8 pads. I love it when they've got the alternating manufacturer strip at the top. Oh, that's a gold foil one. It's beautiful. This is quite tropical, isn't it? Oh, another gold one. Ooh, yes, loving the gold. I did well picking this one. I was just going to say, look how cute that is, and then it's a full one. Ooh, nice. The other thing that appealed to me was these little puffy stickers. The colour of them, a nice pale blue. You don't often see those colours. These are the puffy stickers. Again, I like just how informal these are. Deal with it, little rebel, life happening. Very cute. And these are, let me see. There we go, cardstock stickers. It was hiding in my comfort zone doing epic stuff. Nice quotes that I am definitely going to use, and this is the little stamp, polymer stamp. Chin-up princess. I'm definitely going to be using that one. This wasn't planned all of a sudden. A nice font as well, which is good. Now let's have a look at the 3x4. Oh, that's cute. Making you happy makes me happy. A journal card. Oh, that's cute. High on sunshine. Be good for a day in the week. Then let's look at this little embellishment pack, because there isn't one on a picture on the back of this. So let's see, that was the sticker that I really liked, the weekend one. My happy place, got some nice little tags here as well. Play hard, you and I. One of these days I'm going to go back on vacation and forget to come back. Today, over it. Here's the scoop, can't get enough, best of times. Good eats, I'm not ready for this. That's a nice little gift tag. Follow my heart. Oh, and that's cute as well, isn't it? with those pinched holes. It's obviously to go with a weekend away, adventuring, rainy day, sunshine. The road is calling and I must go. This is definitely a travel theme one. Let's run away. Oh, those flowers are nice. Staycation, that is perfect because that's all I ever do. Happening. Happy camper. Good stuff happens. Wild and perfect, and loads of little stars. Oh, and I've just realised that little gift tag that I punched out this. So, what do you think of my haul? I'm super excited to be starting a subscription kit, and like I say, I'm hoping it's going to make my crafting a lot quicker. It's going to get me all organised. It's going to stop me wasting and buying too many things that I see when I'm at the shops. And everything's going to be matching, some cohesive. So I can't wait to get started with some of that. It's already middle of July. I haven't got my July kit yet. That did say it was dispatched on the 7th of July, so I'm hoping it arrives soon. But if you're interested to see what I make with this, please come back and check it out soon.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments about this video, please leave them below. I'd love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That way YouTube knows to recommend similar ones for you. And finally, if you'd like to see more from me, and I hope so, please subscribe by clicking the link below. I post new content every weekend.